How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best Bambu Studio setting for PETG filament. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to just navigate through your PETG filament, and then you have to click on Edit. Basically, from here, you want to change the nozzle temperature. Now, you want to set your nozzle to 255 degrees Celsius and 265 degrees Celsius. So you could just experiment with these numbers. And for the bed temperature, you want to set it to 70 to 80 degrees Celsius for the textured PEI plate. And basically, the textured PEI plate works best. So in my case, I'm going to just leave it at default. For the next one, we then have our speed. You want to set your max volumetric speed between 8mm per second and 10mm per second. And then for the outer wall, you could just set it to 60 and 80mm per second. So you could just choose between those. Now let's navigate through cooling. And for the auxiliary fans, you just want to turn this off. And the part cooling fan, you want to set it max to 40 and 50% to prevent brittleness. So it's going to be this percentage right here. Now, for retraction, you want to set it between 1.2 millimeters and 1.6 millimeters to reduce the PETG's tendency to string or ooze. And lastly, for the initial layer speed, you want to set this to 20 millimeters per second. And the first layer flow ratio is going to be 1.05 for better bed adhesion. And so basically, after applying this setting, you will get the best Bambu Studio setting for the PETG filament. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.